Happy Sunday today. We got the Jeep to get put back together today. Get the frame, make sure the frame's straight. Get these 20-inch pieces welded back up and get this CJ5 turned back into a CJ6 the way it was meant to be. Because you look up there on the passenger side front of it, it's a CJ6 frame, but somehow somebody wanted a CJ5. I don't blame them. I think it's a better looking. With the tires and stuff they had back in the 70s and 80s, I think the CJ5 looks a lot better, but I think with today's technology and stuff, with the suspension and tires and stuff, I think the CJ6 is going to look a lot better. And plus you'll be able to do a lot more stuff in it. So that's what the wife wanted. So what the wife wants, the wife gets. Tappity tap, don't look back.
Well, and then also, in my experience, is we need to, we'll get one where we totally like it, and you tack it, because beat on this end, that end moves.
Oh,
you
okay,
know?
okay.
So we'll just like feel that. That feels good there.
Yeah, that's fucking money.
But
well, the bottom's sagging.
Right, and we'll just make sure that we're nice and flat, and we like the measurements, and then we'll tack one, and then we'll go over to the other side and get that where we want it, tack that, you know, and then just work around until we get rid of the clamps and we like everything, because, you know, we cut this with a freaking grinder cutting wheel, and, you know, we did a layout and all that stuff. But
oh, I was gonna see what the measurement was.
Okay, that's to center of the very front hole. I've got 151, and maybe a skosh over.
151?
Yeah. 151 and a 16th at the most, and it's the same over here. But I want you to double check as well, because 4 eyes are better than 2. Okay, the numbers match. What I would say is I get a tack here and here, because the bottom needs to go in a little bit. So I can put a tack right here.
Yeah.
Then we can pull that in.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Eyes, tagging. This is nice, because actually I really like this little gap that we got going on. Eyes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give us a tack in the center, and then one at the bottom. Eyes. One more.
All right.
All right, because I think this is going to help us out. We can get these tacks, and then we'll fit up all the way around. We get rid of these freaking clamps, and then put straight edges and
Do a little shake and bake.
heck yeah. I mean, we're good on the flange side. Oh, there you go. You got the touch, dude. Oh, maybe just a little bit more. Or we could always try and bring this up a little bit. There you go. Hey, right there.
Okay.
Nailed it. Okay, how are we looking this way? It's not walking.
Let's hit it.
Okay.
Hit it with the drop top.
Don't look at it. It'll move. So this side, besides the bottoms, because I was beating on it with a hammer and shit. I don't know if we want to square that up.
Yeah, we're gonna have to pull this back down.
Oh, that's
With
fine.
the
We just get a crescent wrench.
Wait a minute, I got a pipe wrench right here, baby.
Ooh.
Bam!
Yeah, don't mess around.
I guess I can't do it from this side.
Bump.
How's that?
It's almost too much. God, I'm so
Okay.
strong.
We can pinch it back in
Oh, yeah.
to play. Oh, right here. What do you want me?
Let's get the sledgehammer. Just tap, tap, tap. Oh, there you go.
How's that?
All right, cool.
How's that feel? I can't get. You need to put some hair on it. Oh, now I can feel it.
You like eyes? All right.
I put it on there with a fist of fury.
Yeah, you did. Good job. One more at the end.
That's what she said.
Nice.
Want this one?
The fist of fury. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, this one over here is tighter than a witch's tit on the bottom.
Yeah, we did something right. Where's our little straight edge?
You want me to put the strap over there? Here, let me get the strap over
Give
there.
me a sec. I don't know. Oh, look at that.
What?
You did it. Oh,
Here.
no, we're looking really good on the side of this. And look at that. Hold on, man. Wow. Good
What?
job. No, that's flat to flat. I mean, look at that.
Dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we got it.
All right, tacking time.
Ticky-tacky.
Eyes.
Yeah.
Safety first.
What's that?
We're getting some good penetration. Sweet. It's working.
Kablammy. Let me get that.
What's that?
Oh, just brought me that. Sand there.
Oh.
Or grind it.
Sure.
Well, it look nice and pretty.
Yeah. This is awesome, dude. I love this small wire.
What wire do you use at work?
045.
What's that?
045. grinder.
Grinder?
Yeah, with a cutting wheel. It's
Yeah.
right by your chop saw. I want to get into this a little bit more.
Well, we got the frame all welded up. Got to put the fish plates on still, but it's all welded up. And I think that's it for this weekend. Me and Buck got it all done, so just gotta wait for those old fish plates. And that's it for this one. See you guys in the next one.